The personal office assistant for blind is a camera-based assistive technology that primarily aims to help visually impaired, blind, or persons with reading difficulties in their daily activities. This device can be used for person identification, text-to-speech conversion, and Google interaction with the help of Google Assistant. This technology offers a great improvement in the life of visually impaired people. This is a promising and reliable technology for the future.
Our project is mainly divided into three parts. The first one is face detection and recognition. In this part, the camera captures the image of the face in front of it and compares it with the trained faces. And if it matches, the name of the person will be given as output. And the second part is character recognition, where the system allows the user to read printed or handwritten text. And the last part is voice assistant. For this, we have used Google Assistant. It helps the blind to check time, weather, set reminders, access internet, etc.
Face recognition is one of the features of Third Eye which enable the blind to recognize a person approaching him. It includes face detection, creation of database, training the recognizer, and finally the face recognition. Once a face is detected, the database has to be created. It contains the images of all the persons who are to be recognized by the blind. After training the recognizer, in the real time when a person approaches the blind and if his image is in the database, then the system will recognize the person and spell out his name.
Optical character recognition, simply OCR, is one of the main features of our project. It is the conversion of written or printed documents into machine encoded text. It can be implemented by using the OCR engine called PyTesseract and Python language. Here, the real-time images are captured, processed, and the text in it are extracted as the output. Later, the text is converted into an MP3 file using the library called GTTS, that is Google Text-to-Speech. Finally, voice output is obtained, which really helps the blind person.
Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence-powered virtual assistant developed by Google. The user can interact with the Google Assistant through natural voice. The blind can read articles and other text directly from a website, search the internet, schedule events and alarms, open apps, send messages, make calls, etc. This can also be used to play songs, check weather, set timers, and many other things. In this project, this feature is incorporated using Google Assistant SDK package, which contains all the codes that is required. This SDK package is accessed by creating a project and registering the device model in Google Actions console page.